So this is the play seat challenge with the Logitech G29. As you can see, this combo is very popular on the market, I believe, and this is very nice in terms of space. So this is the first thing that comes to my mind, because we don't have a lot of space, we're limited for the space. So I think this is a very good option if you don't have a space, in my opinion. I do like the play seat challenge. Looks like a proper racing seat, in my opinion, and it's very comfortable. Some people said that it's not very comfortable, but it's very comfortable in my opinion. And like I mentioned, the G29 is one of the most popular options there if you're planning to buy your first sim racing wheel. I think it's very popular. I know there's a different brands, but I think this is one of the most popular one. Also the pedals, if I'm honest with you, I didn't have any problems with the pedals. I know there's a lot of debate about the brake pedal, but actually, if I'm honest with you, I do like the stiffness. I do like how the pedal actually, the feeling of the pedal, the brake, the gas pedal is very good, and actually the clutch as well is very nice. If I'm honest with you, I don't have complaints about the pedals. I know some people, they customize the pedals, you can customize them, but if I'm honest with you, I do like how the pedals are. But overall, I think this is one of the most popular option there to have for your first sim racing rig. It's very comfortable, and also if you don't have a space, this is the best option to have, I believe. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. So let me know, what do you think? Show me some pictures of your setup. I'm very curious to see what do you have. You can follow me on Twitter. You can send me some pictures there as well. But overall, very happy with this setup. This is my first setup. This is my first sim racing rig with the wheel, and I'm quite pleased, if I'm honest with you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video.